Hello and happy holidays to everyone. I'm back here in my garage. See, we got a few projects going on, some White Hunter Originals, and this 36-inch Dayton. It's new in a box. It's not the older model I was hoping to find like I have, but it is a very interesting, different model I was always kind of looking for. This is known as a Dayton ring fan. Known as ring fans because of, well, that chrome metal sticker ring on the bottom of them. These fans were very common in Toys R Us. That's where a lot of people saw them, a lot of collectors see them. Now, it's very interesting that these were produced at the same time Dayton made the industrial version. The difference being that these were more of a commercial version fan, so they're kind of geared down a little bit. Not as high quality, meant for like indoors and AC, not really meant for outdoors or any kind of harsh environments. This one was new in box still, after some 30 years or something like that. As you can see, it is model 4C852, 36-inch, 120 volts. There's actually another tag on the fan that's right there underneath that lower canopy. It's already tightened down, so I'm not going to go up there and test it. Well, show it. So, as always, let me turn the light off here. Is that better? Or is that... I'll take the light on. So, let's see what... I already have about half an amp on the amp meter just because of the light also. We're going to put it to low. I've never done all the way down on low. See if this thing goes. Nope, too stiff. Inch it up a little bit. Down, see if it keeps going. No. Like I said, it's a little underpowered because this is a commercial grade, not a industrial grade ceiling fan. It is a stamped steel motor of the same, I don't know if they're aluminum or steel blades. I didn't measure them. Test them. This is being run on a 3 amp Dayton variable speed control. If you look in the background, you will see a 60-inch Dayton also. That is the actual industrial version. Funny enough, I actually do have this exact fan, this little 36-inch guy right here. I actually have a cast motor version, which no one else has really seen or found besides me. So, I do plan, probably not tonight, but later on this week, maybe tomorrow, maybe the weekend, to do a comparison side by side of the Dayton commercial versus the Dayton industrial of the time period about the late 80s, early 90s. Let's go ahead and kind of put it to like a medium speed. One of the main differences, like I said, between the industrial and commercial are the motors being cast motors compared to stamped steel motors. And the cast motors seem to run just a little more responsiveness and definitely run faster, but it's because they're geared for that. Now, I didn't really see the 36-inch ring fan as a kid. This is actually the first time I've seen one actually in person, which is kind of neat. I have seen a bunch of 56-inch ring fans, like I said, at Toys R Us, and actually I do remember a really fond memory of mine is back in New Jersey, Seaside Heights. There was a shop that had probably like 8 56-inch ring fans, and they were there all kinds of rusty and stuff from being in a saltwater environment. But they were there until the fire that took over the boardwalk, and that's what did them in. Of course, you know, when I went there last before the fire, only like 2 or 3 of them ran out of the whole store. So let's go ahead and just bump it up straight to high. I will say this thing does take quite a bit of time to get up to speed. Like I said, it's partial because of the new bearings being broken in, and partially because it's a commercial grade fan. Not really drawing a lot of amperage. Still picking up speed, as you can hear. Beautifully balanced. Very silent, as you would expect a new inbox fan to be. Overall, it was a good amount of air. I wouldn't say as much as I think the cast version did. Of course, I haven't been underneath that one testing in quite a while. But it'll make for an interesting comparison when I have both this and the cast one out here to do a side-by-side test. Both canopies are metal. And this is the shorter of the two down rod sizes it comes with. The longer down rod still being here in its packaging. Like I said, this thing was brand new. There's the bottom half of the styrofoam, the top half of the styrofoam, and the wrappers from the canopies. So now that we've seen what you do, let's go ahead and do spin down. And I said this might be the last fan video for the year. I might have more, but doubtful. These two white originals that are on the workbench currently, I don't have anything really going on with them. They're just for a good price, and I figured I'd snag them. So they're both looking for homes. They're 4-blade only models, no light kits on them. Came with the original ceiling sloped adapter, not red canopies, but I think I've got plenty of white canopies, so I can always throw in regular canopies. But if you're looking for a good oil bath fan and live in the Florida area, Orlando area to be specific, you know who to talk to. What a neat little fan, though. Expect those stiff bearings to stop it pretty abruptly in any minute now. There you go. And there you go. Thanks for watching.